Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll discuss how to install the OBS Studio for Mac operating system. Like OBS Studio is one of the screen recording software that is useful here. It is an open source software and it is available for the different operating systems like Windows, Mac, and also Linux. So here we'll click on Mac operating system. It will take us to the download. Well, once we click on the download button, two versions are available, Intel and also M1 based Apple Silicon. You can click on the Apple Silicon, as my one is like a MacBook M1. So we need to allow this one, so click on this allow, so download will be started here. So this OBS Studio is available, as I mentioned, that it is available for both Intel chipset MacBooks and also for the M1 based Apple Silicon based MacBooks. Both it is available, right? It will take some time to download this particular stuff. Let us wait till then, and you can check out these websites, what are the different features that are available here for the website. Okay, once it is completed, we will go back to the installer. We'll check it whether the download is there. Like it is showing that 1 minute 20 seconds and around it is showing. You can navigate to the website to get more details about this particular OBS Studio. In Mac we are having other things. Yeah, please like the video if you are liking it, and also subscribe to the channel for more content. Let us see that the download has been completed, I think. So what I want to tell is, we have QuickTime Player to record something in Mac operating system, but unfortunately we cannot record our face, right? Video cannot be recorded with QuickTime Player, only we can record the screen with the QuickTime Player, right? So that is what the problem with this. So what we can do is, we can use OBS Studio, because we can add the display capture, game capture, video capture, and also specifically Windows can also be captured for non-game options. Like if you are presenting only one PPT, then you can capture only a particular window and all that. And also we can live stream on the YouTube and all that with the help of this OBS Studio. That is what the main intention of your this OBS Studio. So this is what main use of OBS Studio. We can check different things like or where the settings are there, and also where the recordings are stored here. Like generally this OBS Studio output will be generated with a .mkv file, but actually we need a .mp4 format. Like we can we can change it. We can go to file and remake the recordings. We can change it to the basic mp4 format, right? So I have checked that the download has been completed. Okay, once the download has completed, now we need to copy the OBS this installer to the application, so that it can run on your operating system, right? So that is what we are going to do it here. Now it is available in your applications. From here you can directly run it, or otherwise you can press the command and space bar. From there also you can run it. So once the OBS Studio is installed, like it will be asking you for the different types of options, like privacy, as Mac is having privacy issues. It is asking you to provide the access to those particular things like camera, microphone, and also the accessibility features, right? You need to quit and reopen. Just it will start back again with those particular settings. So similarly you give the access to camera, okay, for microphone access also, because you know to record all these things, right? So that's why you are also giving the access to these things. And also you make the accessibility to different applications, that is OBS should also be given the accessibility, right? So all the accessibilities are given. Now we can continue with this one. Okay, you can check all those system settings later. Now the thing is, like this is the OBS interface. So what you want to record it here, like whether you want to stream it using this for the specific person like streaming, or whether you are using it for the recording or something, or you'll be using only for a particular recording virtual camera. I will be using for the second option, so I selected second one. I'm not going to stream anything here. So just click on the next, and it will take the default settings. Leave all the default settings, 60 fps or 30 fps. It is up to you how you want to record. I'll just click on the next button and just apply the settings. Okay, those will be applied here. Like you can also add the different sources to capture the display here. Like we can add the audio capture, uh, add the video capture device, and also FaceTime camera is added here. Like you can see my camera is added automatically, so we can add the camera here. And next one is we can resize this particular camera here. You can resize it and you can specify to the window frame where you want to keep it. I want to keep it to the left corner, of bottom left corner, so I have kept it to the bottom left corner, right? Next one is we can also add the display capture, means what screen you want to capture here. That captured screen will be taken here. So I have already this built-in display, that is my MacBook display. So whether you want to take it manually, a particular screen or a window or something, then you can do it. You just click on none, it will be fine. And then the third thing is you need to capture the input audio. You want to capture the voice, like microphone default will be taken. If you have any specific microphone, it will be captured again. So these are the basic settings that we need to take, and you also have so many other options. You can check on those particular options as per your requirement. You can see all those things, and you can add those particular uh, basic things. Like now we can start recording. Now I'm recording on a OBS studio. I will be just minimize this window, and I will record some part with this OBS studio, and then later I will add in this video what is the recording that we got for the OBS studio. Right, I will stop this recording. Yeah, uh, just will be exiting from this. Okay, this is where the mkva file is generated. In upcoming videos I will show you how to convert the mkva file to a mp4 file, so that it can be easily recorded with our edited with our MacBook. Okay, that's all about this video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and also please share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel.